Thank you, Llywydd. Will the Minister make a statement on the Welsh Dairy Support Scheme, which has recently opened for applications?
Diolch. The Dairy Support Scheme opened on 18th June to support farmers hardest hit by the exceptional market conditions caused by COVID-19. Eligible farmers will be entitled to up to £10,000 to help them continue to meet fixed costs and sustain production capacity without impacts on animal welfare and the environment.
Thank you for your answer. I have been contacted, I have to say, by a number of farmers who are literally just a few pounds short of meeting the 25% threshold of a fall in their income, which would then make them, of course, eligible to qualify for the support scheme. But these are farmers who have incurred significant losses, but of course, subsequently they get nothing, no support whatsoever, because of course they continue to be ineligible for all other support schemes, particularly, of course, the Economic Resilience Fund. Now, the European Commission has currently included a COVID-19 measure within the European Agricultural Fund for Rural Development, and MEPs have now voted to allow for a one-off lump sum to be made to farmers of €7,000, with up to 2% of the RDP budget plus co-financing of EU funds allowed for this measure. So will you consider the implementation of this measure so that we can help ease cash flow problems on so many Welsh farms?
Diolch, Leo, and you're quite right, the EU Commission have done that, and certainly that would be for us to decide if we can do that, and it's something that I've asked officials to look at.